Joe, look around, man. Where are we? This place is so beautiful. There's so much water, so many trees, so much fruit. Where are we, Joe?
I think we're in the Garden of Eden.
We're in the Garden of Eden. You sure? This looks like a lot like Texas.
The Garden of Eden.
The Garden of Eden. Okay, man, this is really, oh, look at these spots. Dude, what am I? What am I?
A giraffe.
A giraffe? A giraffe. When did I become a giraffe? Like, how did I get my name?
From Adam.
From Adam?
He is from the creation story. God made him on the sixth day.
That's cool. Look at you. Dude, you got a tail. That's awesome. Guys, what is he? What are you?
A lion.
You're a lion. So are we supposed to be hanging out? Did you eat today? Did you eat today? Got a little nervous there. I'm a giraffe, you're a lion, and we're just hanging out in this, what's this place called again?
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden. I like this. You know what? This is kind of cool, man. This is actually kind of cool spot. I like this. I don't want to leave. I like being a giraffe. I like being tall. I really want to meet the guy, that guy you talked about that named me, that called me a giraffe. What's his name?
Adam.
What happened to Adam? Why, like, where is he at? Is he here? Is he in here? Adam! Where's he at?
He got kicked out of the garden.
What? What? That can happen to you?
Yes.
What did he do? Can we get kicked out of the garden? What happened? Tell me what happened. I didn't even know you could leave. Why would you want to leave? He got kicked out. What did he do?
He disobeyed.
He disobeyed God. Why would you do that? Dang, I didn't know, Joe, I did not know that you could get kicked out. And why would you want to disobey God? Why would you want to leave this man? What did God tell him to do that he disobeyed?
Well, he ate of the tree that he told him not
Whoa,
to eat.
Whoa. Are you talking about the tree of the knowledge of good and evil? So I've heard about this tree. I've heard about this tree. I've seen it. It's fantastic. It's beautiful. The fruit, organic. Like they got it from mothers. I don't understand. But God said, don't do it. Like, don't eat from it. And he ate from that tree? Oh, wow, he ate from the tree. Was he by himself? Like, was it his idea? Like, what happened?
No.
It was that buffalo. Carl? It was Carl. Oh, who? It wasn't Carl? Who was it? Eve. Who's Eve?
Eve is his wife.
Eve is his wife. Whoa. Wait, are they camels or what? Like, what kind of animal are they?
They're not animals, they're humans.
I was about to say, that's a weird name for Eve. Like, giraffe is pretty tight, but Eve, I guess, mother of all things, probably. So Adam and Eve, they saw this tree, the knowledge of good and evil, that beautiful tree with all the fruit.
Yes.
And God told them not to eat it, and they ate it? Why would you do that? What would make them do that?
A serpent deceived them.
A
He
what?
tricked them.
A serpent? That little creepy crawly thing? That thing just freaks me out. What did he make them do? What did he tell them?
He told Eve when she was walking by that you should try the fruit and touch it. And she thought, and she did. And then God gave it to Adam.
Shut up. Okay, whoa, back up. So we got a serpent, right? And he told them that they could be wise and be like God if they ate him. Who was he talking to? He was talking to Adam and Eve? He was talking to, who did he say that to?
The serpent? Said it to Eve.
He was telling Eve, girl. Okay, wow. So he told Eve, what did Eve ate it? She did it?
Yep, and then she gave it to Adam, and then he did it too.
Whoa. She gave the fruit that she ate from the tree that she was not supposed to. What's the name of that tree again? The tree of knowledge of good and evil. That's right. She took that fruit, ate that fruit, and gave it to her husband Adam?
Yep.
There's fruit everywhere. Why would you eat that fruit? Oh, the serpent said it would make them like God.
It would make them wise.
Oh
and
my God.
See. And they did see. They were naked.
What happened after that? What happened when they ate the fruit?
They wrapped themselves in plants, and they hid in the bushes.
What
they
was
were
that?
hiding from God.
They were hiding from God? Why were they hiding from God? Why were they hiding from God?
Because they disobeyed him and they didn't listen.
Oh, they were afraid of him. So sometimes when we disobey God, we run from him because we're afraid that we disappointed him, or we know we disobeyed him. Ah, that's terrible.
Yep.
How you gonna hide in the garden? The man built it. Okay, tell me more.
God said, "Where are you?" And they said,
He came looking for him? Shut up. Sorry, keep going.
And then they said, "We're in the bushes. And we were scared because we were naked." And he said, "Who told you?" And he's like, "Did you eat from the tree of knowledge that I didn't? I told you not to eat." And they said, "Yes."
Oh no! Oh no!
And then
what did God do? Was he mad? Was he like just or was he disappointed? Was he like sad?
he was
I haven't met him yet,
sad.
but I heard a lot of things
Sad
about
and
him.
disappointed because he told them not to do something and they disobeyed and didn't do it. I mean,
How did they do that? This place is so great.
I know.
Like they got banished from the garden? Joe! Joe! Will they ever come back?
no, the angels guarded
The big scary guys that sit at the entrance over there? Those guys with like the flaming sword?
Yes, they're not scary. They're
Okay.
God's angels.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you said that because sometimes I think they're scary, but they're not because they're God's angels. Okay,
Uh-huh.
I'm glad you said that. And so what are they doing? Why are they standing over there?
So they can't come back in.
Oh, they're guarding the garden. That's why I never met them. Man, I did not know that God asked you to leave.
Yep.
Even more so, Adam and Eve, weren't they created in God's image?
Mm-hmm.
So the serpent lied. They didn't even need the fruit because they were already in God's image. He loved them.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's so sad. Will we ever see him again?
No.
No? Oh, are there ever going to be people back in the garden?
No. They're somewhere else growing their own fruit and living their lives.
Oh, man. That's so sad. Why would God protect the garden? What's the point? Are they ever going to be... Well, I mean, okay, maybe they can't come back into the garden right now. But, like, are people ever going to be living amongst God again? Like, is that ever going to happen?
After the world is gone,
Mm-hmm.
God will have everybody live back with him.
So his plan is after he comes back and he makes a new earth and a new heaven, his goal is to have people live with you and me all together as one, just like Adam and Eve did when they were here in the garden with us.
Correcto mundo.
Oh, I feel better about that. I feel bad for Adam and Eve, but I'm excited that God would set that up for us, like or for the humans. I'm a giraffe. I'm a giraffe. Man, that's awesome. So I'm getting tired. I'm getting sleepy. My neck hurts. I need a neck massage. You know it's hard being a giraffe? It's hard, man. You know this? I can't even let Carl know, the buffalo, the guy I was telling you about earlier. I can't even let him know that I'm eating this. Carl's got diabetes. But
That sucks.
normally, I only eat grass and shallots. But today, you told me a scary story, so I was all right. But it's not scary after all, because there's a plan in it. That God had a plan for humanity. That one day they would live amongst us, and we would live amongst them as God's kingdom, and he would live amongst them. Thanks for telling me about Adam and Eve. I was always wondering, like, who named me or what my name was. But I feel really good now. Do you like your name? Do you like being a lion? You guys do that cool thing where you like, what do you call it? You like yawn real loud? Oh, relax, relax. Did you eat today? Are you sure? Why are you looking at me like that? I'm leaving. All right. That was great. That was leave me alone. Give me that popcorn. Give me. I want the bowl of popcorn. What's his name? Adam. That's awesome. Is he still here? Where's he at? I want to talk to him.
He's dead.
Wow. He's dead. What happened to Adam? He's dead. Tell the kids he got kicked out. Don't tell the kids he died. I mean, the street's dead. But at this moment in the story, he's probably still alive.
What?
My man, there you go. Did he find him? That might have been like that. So that was the first game of hide and seek.
No.
You know what you're telling me? Adam and Eve invented hide and seek. Joe, I love hide and seek.
Ah.